Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just a quick middle of the day update. Bitcoin is climbing higher a little bit, back above 26.5k, but it's not really any signal that we have reversed again to the upside. We are now, or we did come into the support area as indicated yesterday. Price hit the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement. And to be honest, we can be watching if the B wave is finished. I mean, we have enough waves to the downside to complete this WXY correction. It's just not entirely clear. And on this chart, I have outlined the possibility that we might still be in the Y wave here and come down a little lower. I mean, again, there is a clear pivot point here that the Elliott Wave analysis provides us and reveals. That is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So we talk here about 25,785. A sustained break below that level will likely send us lower in the yellow wave count in a C wave, highlighted here. A C wave off wave 3, off wave whatever, C, Y, and 2. So it will go lower. I mean, it would rather than emphasize the idea that Bitcoin should head to sort of 24.5k. That's sort of what we can see at the moment. However, as long as Bitcoin is holding that level, a further chop is possible and Bitcoin can easily go higher in the C wave. Better than trying to predict what is going to happen, because this is mainly about understanding where reward and risk is sitting, because here we have an area, the orange count allows for quite a substantial move to the upside, to be honest. If Bitcoin really finds support here above the 78.6 retracement, it could move certainly into the 28-29k region. I mean, we can measure that by using the Fibonacci extension. So we can use, for example, here we measure the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, and then you can see the 1-to-1 ratio would be at 28,192. And the 1.618 extension, which is another target, would be at 29,461. So this is why I say 28 to 29k region certainly possible and likely if Bitcoin can hold the 25,785 level. Below that level, a move down or a morphing into a different count is possible and likely. First of all, we are most likely going to find decent support here at 25.3k. The 50% retracement, a very important support level, found support here before. And also if I go to the left, close to that at least, here on the 25th of May and the 12th of May. So from that point of view, we just need to see, can this support area hold? If it does, that C wave to the upside is possible, if not even something more bullish. And a break below it would send us likely to 24.5k. It's just that it's not as easy as that, because we've got this important support at 25.3k. It's just that this A-B setup, or alternatively 1-2 setup highlighted in orange, is likely not going to work out below the 78.6 Fib level. Nevertheless, Bitcoin can still find support at 25.3k in maybe some kind of a different, more complex corrective pattern. Would just be a different one, because Bitcoin is in a big chop. It's very choppy, as I always say. We call a market that is moving in a very corrective fashion often choppy, because it chops novice traders who over leverage and over position to death bit by bit. Everybody who tries to trade here every little wave will probably be chopped. Be aware of that, I think, because it is too chaotic for many, and that's just the type of market which continues to surprise. It might be worth either zooming out or just taking the bigger picture into account, right? And not trying to trade every single wave maybe. So at the moment there are just no high quality setups here on the lower time frame, in my opinion, right? Unless you want to be ready all the time for retracements where you don't expect them. That's sort of the theme, the narrative I've been trying to bring across, that what we're going to see here in the next few days and weeks until this correction is over is we're going to see up and down, we're going to see choppy price action, and we're going to see corrections and pullbacks where necessarily they are not ideally expected. But that's the nature of a correction, so it shouldn't surprise anyone. So yeah, all the levels should be clear. Again, a break above the X wave high at 26,990 will be a good indication that at least here a local low has been made, and a break above 27,390, the high of the Wednesday high, will indicate, yeah, even further or confirm that a low has been made, because this is important resistance up there, as you can see. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.